So we're gathered here today to celebrate Zach and Morgan's decision to spend the rest of their lives together. Marriage isn't just one decision made today. It's thousands of small decisions made over a lifetime and always coming back to each other. It's choosing each other when life is easy, and more importantly, choosing each other when life gets hard.
Morgan, you have opened my eyes to why we as humans want love, why we need love, ultimately why being loved is the greatest privilege in this life. In my deepest and darkest times, you are my brightest light. If I had to describe it in one word, I would call it safe. Truthfully, if I could sit here for the rest of time with you, attempting to tell you, you are the greatest gift that life has ever given me, I would die happier than any man alive. I love you.
You guys all look great. Look at, I'm finally seeing you all wearing it together.
Zach, my love, 5 years ago, almost to the day, you walked into my life and became the source of all my hope for this world. You were constant, adoring, astute, and charismatic. Everyone whose life you enter is better for it. I see laughter, pain, kisses, and tears, and helping each other confront our fears. I see you as my friend and also my lover, your confidant, and your children's mother. I see our one future for you and I, and it's cloaked in love until we die. What do you think?
It's amazing. You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Watching the two of you come together as a couple has been just a crazy thing to see. I didn't think it would ever happen, but we're here, and you two are two of my most favorite people in the world, and I can't believe we're at your wedding right now. It's truly mind-blowing.
It is my honor to pronounce you husband and wife. Zach, you may kiss your bride.
Crafty and I had known each other for 6 years. Growing up was a privilege because it was a built-in best friend, partner in crime, and I got to share clothes, secrets, and way too many late-night conversations throughout the years. Here's the happy couple.
Morgan, in this relationship, I've gotten to see you become the happiest, healthiest, and most genuine version of yourself. So Zach, thank you for loving my sister exactly as she is. Now, if everyone can please raise your glass. Here's to a lifetime filled with laughter, adventure, quiet moments, unwavering love, and a home that feels the safest in the world.